Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher, and if you want to teach your children Quranic with proper tajweed, you can contact us. Thank you. Today we will continue our previous lesson. So in this lesson we will learn the joining letters. So let's start our today's lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our first letter is Kaf. 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 And next is again Kaf. Kaf. Both are kaf because kaf has two shapes. Sometimes kaf comes with a line like in this shape, and sometimes it comes with a small S shape. So it is kaf. Kaf. Next is, here is the short form of kaf. Kaf with a line connected with ba. So we will read kaf ba. Kaf ba. Next is again kaf, short form of kaf, and it comes with a small S shape. And next is ba. So we will read kaf ba. Kaf ba. Next is again kaf connected with alif. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Next again short form of kaf connected with alif. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Next is ba. Kaf ta. First one is short form of ba because it has one dot at the bottom. So it is ba connected with kaf. It is the short form of kaf. And next is ta. So we will read ba. Kaf ta. Again ba. Kaf ta. Ba. Kaf ta. Next, here is short form of ta because it has two dots at the top connected with short form of kaf, and then sa because it has three dots at the top. Now please repeat after me. Ta. Kaf sa. Ta. Kaf sa. Ta. Kaf sa. Next is full form of ba. 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 Next ta, ta, ta. Next one is sa. Sa is a soft letter. Sa, sa. Next, noon, noon, noon. Ya, ya, ya. Next is short form of ba connected with alif. So it is ba alif, ba alif, ba alif, noon alif. Here is the short form of noon because it has one dot at the top. Noon connected with alif. It looks like zal or za, but we can't read it za or zal because we cannot connect za and zal in the beginning of the word. So here in beginning it is noon. Now please repeat after me. Noon alif, noon alif, noon alif. Next is short form of ta because ta has two dots at the top connected with alif. Ta alif, ta alif, ta alif. Ya alif because ya has two dots at the bottom, so it is the short form of ya connected with alif. Ya alif, ya alif, ya alif. Next is short form of sa because it has three dots at the top connected with alif. Sa alif, sa alif, sa alif. Sorry, my throat is bad today. Next, ba sin. Here is the short form of ba because it has one dot at the bottom. So we will read ba sin, ba sin, ba sin. Next, short form of ya because it has two dots at the bottom. Ya sin, ya sin, ya sin. Noon sin. It is the short form of noon because it has one dot at the top. Please remember it is not zal or za because we can't connect zal and za in the beginning. So it is noon. Noon sin, noon sin, noon sin. Next, it has two dots at the top, so it is ta and sin. Ta sin, ta sin, ta sin. Next, three dots at the top, so it is sa, sa sin, sa sin, sa sin. Next is again it has 3 dots at the top. So it is the short form of sa connected with G. So we will read sa Jim, sa Jim, sa Jim. Next 2 dots at the top. So it is the short form of ta. Ta ha, ta ha, ta ha. Our today's lesson is completed now. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. We will learn our next lesson very soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.